This is just a joy to watch. Joe Hedrick still has that speed and aggression that he had as a young rider coming into this game, but he has coupled it with a lot more consistency this year. And they've stepped up. They're on the Yamahas now as a longtime Honda team, and Phoenix Racing runs Hondas on two wheels in almost every other form of racing that there is. But the Yamaha a little more up-to-date equipment-wise for ATV motocross. The big difference being Honda had never updated their machine to fuel injection, where Yamaha did. So it gives them a lot of advantages as far as tuning. A lot more modern platform, so they go to the Yamaha here. And they get to run pretty much any livery they want. So you see the red on the Yamaha, and they run different types of graphics at every round